Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to select seats on Lufthansa. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Lufthansa account, which of course I have done right here. Now, next thing is, how can you create an account on Lufthansa? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice, locate the search bar. In the search bar, type lufthansa.com, and that's going to take you right into the official website for Lufthansa. Well, to get into the website, follow through with the on-screen prompt at the top right corner of your screen to create your account. And after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Lufthansa. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's stats, and that is how to select seats on Lufthansa. So from this homepage, if you want to select a seat, then you have to place a booking. So set this to flights and check if it's a round trip, one way or multi-city. You can also check this to fill out all of this based on your preference. And then you have from, you add, of course, add your location and your destination and your departure, and then click on search flights. So right here I'm going to use a recent search. And that's going to take me right here into this window. So it's coming right up. So here's the flight selection page. All I just need to do is to select the flight that I want. I'm going to click on this first one, and I'm going to click on this. All right, so in this window, I'm just going to have to click on enter passenger details. And that's going to take me right into the next step. So over here, we'll go ahead and click on confirm. That's to confirm your details. So after confirming all of the details, it's going to take you right into this page. So from this page, you can now select your seats. So select your preferred seat here. Go ahead and click on select your seat option. So that takes you into this window and says no seat selected. You're going to see the seats map. So over here in the seats map, just select any seats that you like. So let's say maybe this one. Okay, those ones are not available. Just select any of the seats that are available. Let's say this is one, this C2H, comfortable seating, fully flat bed, more workspace. Now go ahead and click on select seat. So that's me, MA. And after doing that, that's all you need. Now click on confirm and continue. Now once you click on confirm and continue, it's going to take you right into the next window, which is the payments window, where you can now proceed to make payments for the seat that you have chosen. But this is pretty much how you can change seats on Lufthansa. And I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.